My name is Marceline. I am a student at Malaika School in grade 3 of pedagogy, and it's my 9th year at Malaika. That is to say, I saw how the school was built. I like pink and white colors. French and pedagogy are my favorite classes. My dream is to be a journalist because I want to give news the people.
Yes.
I live in Kalebuka with my family. We are 9 in my family, 4 brothers and 5 sisters, and I'm the 6th. My father's name is Jack. He is a builder, and my mother's name is Mathilde. She is a teller at the community center. The school has got a government with different departments, and I am in charge of keeping the school materials. Oh. For example, if the instruments are damaged or when there is distribution of school furniture, I give the report to the office. During lockdown, the school has got a group of girls making shirts. So far, we are made 700 shirts and distributed some shirts to the hospital.
Amazing.
To the hospital, everyone was surprised to see masks of shields made by girls and saying it is amazing. My hobbies are to play piano, to do cutting, and to play tennis. I was selected as a representative of Katanga to the tennis competition in Kinshasa.
Great.
During lockdown at home, I help my parents with a household work, and if I finish, I make some exercise from school. Thank you.
Thank you, Marceline. That's wonderful.
Thank you, Marceline.